Galactic Collision with Andromeda, written by Graham Wilson. The Milky Way and the Andromeda galaxy are on an inevitable path toward each other, set to collide in about 4.5 billion years. This isn't a catastrophic crash as you might expect, but rather a slow-motion cosmic ballet that will reshape both galaxies over millions of years. Despite the immense scale of these galaxies, the vast distances between stars make actual stellar collisions highly unlikely. Instead, gravity will take center stage, pulling and warping these colossal structures in a dramatic merger. As the galaxies draw closer, they'll start to tug on each other with their immense gravitational forces. Stars from both galaxies will begin shifting into elongated streams, creating dazzling arcs of light across the cosmos. The Milky Way's familiar spiral structure will be stretched and distorted, and Andromeda's stars will swirl into an entirely new configuration. During this time, gas clouds from the two galaxies may collide, sparking bursts of star formation. These regions of new stars will shine brilliantly, lighting up the heavens in ways we can only dream of witnessing. At the heart of this collision lies a captivating event. Both the Milky Way and Andromeda harbor supermassive black holes at their centers, and as the galaxies merge, these black holes will spiral toward each other. When they finally combine, they'll form an even larger black hole, releasing immense energy in the form of gravitational waves. This event will forever alter the core of the new galaxy, likely creating a stunning luminous center surrounded by billions of stars. The result of this epic merger will be a new galaxy often referred to as Milkomeda. Its shape will be more elliptical than the spiral we know today, marking a profound transformation in the structure of our cosmic home. While this collision may sound alarming, it's a natural part of galactic evolution. It's a reminder of how dynamic and interconnected our universe truly is, with galaxies constantly evolving through interactions that shape their destinies.